Hello everyone, welcome to my copy trading challenge. As you can see, I deposited one SOL to a fresh wallet from an exchange, and this wallet has zero copy traders because I haven't shared this one on my Telegram channel. On GMGM website there is no activity from this wallet, and basically I'm going to use the same strategy that I shared on my previous video to have some live copy trades. In my previous video that you can find the link in the top right corner, I shared how you can find some wallets using Zelfigru Ultra channel. In here you can find many wallets. In the previous video, I found many great wallets for copy trading. And in this video, I'm gonna use TradeViz bot to have some live copy trades. TradeViz is the fastest copy trading bot in the market. If I can make money using this strategy, I'm going to share all the wallets that I copy traded on my Telegram channel. You can actually find all the links to my Telegram channel and these bots in the video description. Before I dive into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get into it. On TradeViz bot, just click on copy trade. You can add your wallet, but I've already added a new wallet in here. Let's take a look at the setting. You should use exactly the same setting as here. For the tag, just write a name for it. For example, wallet1, target wallet, paste the wallet that you want to copy trade. Buy percentage should be 100%. Max buy and min buy is very important. Since I started with one SOL, I prefer to spend maximum and minimum 0.1 SOL for each token. This is really depends on your budget. For total investment SOL, I set this at 0.2 SOL. This means since for each token it will spend 0.1 SOL, we give two chances to this wallet. And if two tokens failed, for the third one, the TradeViz bot doesn't copy trade this wallet. This is actually very important for money management. You can actually set this 3 times higher than this number or 2 times higher. Since I only started with one SOL, I decided to stick with 2 times higher than this number. For each token buy times, set this at 1. Buy times reset after sold, false. Do not copy additional buys, false. On renounced and unburned tokens, we don't want to buy them. This is very important because this is a security fee. For traders transaction max limit, there's no limitation for that, but for traders transaction min limit, for this wallet I set this at 0.5 SOL. How I found this number? Basically on Zelfigru, on the Ultra channel, for each wallet you can see the take profit percentage. You can see the stop loss that you have to set, the minimum market cap, and min donor buy sum. This is the minimum transaction. So this is very important for each wallet that you want to copy trade on this channel. Make sure to use exactly the same settings at here. For example, for the wallet that I want to copy trade, you can see the settings in here. The minimum buy should be 0.5 SOL, or minimum market cap should be 206. The TP should be 34% profit. So I'm going to use all the settings in here. So for the minimum buy, you can see I set this at 0.5 SOL. This will change in different wallets. Ultra only supports radium pools. So pump, Meteora, and also Moonshot should be false. Min LP, there's no limitation. For max market cap, no limitation. But for min market cap, as I shared before, this should be at $206,000. But in different wallets, this will change. Copy sells false, since we actually put a stop loss and also take profit. We don't have to copy the sales because some of the wallets that we are copy trading, they are not good sellers. These two should be false. Auto retry should be 3. This means if the bot fails to do the transaction, it will try again. First copy sell percentage, this should be false. For the buy gas fee and buy tip, I set this at 0.001 for all of them. I decided to, turn off the anti-MEV. I disabled this, but this is really depends on your choice. If you, trade with so much money, if your slippage is a lot, definitely, turn this on. Buy a slippage and sell a slippage is set as 80%. And for take profit and a stop loss, I set this exactly as mentioned on Ultra. When you add, if you write a minus, for example 30, this will set as a stop loss. But if I write this at plus, this will be basically take profit. Keep that in mind. Everything in here looks good. We only want to copy buys, and we can actually activate this wallet. For the next wallet, all you have to do is to copy the settings, and you only have to change the wallet, target wallet, to change the tag, the name of that. And also everything in here should be the same. For traders transaction min limit, this should change. For minimum market cap, this should change. And for also take profit and stop loss, they should change as well. We should set all of them based on the Ultra channel. For each wallet, it gave us all the information necessary. I'm gonna add something around 10 to 20 wallets to trade with, but I'm gonna enable all of them, and we're gonna find out if this strategy really works or not, because I'm using the Ultra channel for the first time. I'm not sure if this strategy really works or not, but if I can make money using this strategy, I'm gonna share all the wallets with stop loss, minimum market cap, and etc. on my Telegram channel. Make sure to join all of them. Now let's see what will happen. I'm gonna run the bot for a few days and we will see the result. Okay guys, 48 hours passed, and during these 2 days I copy traded 20 wallets. This is the maximum number of wallets you can copy trade using TradeWizBot. All these wallets were among the top wallets in Ultra channel. All of them had, above 60 or 70% win rate, high PNL, and they had minimum 3 trades. Let's actually take a look. During these 2 days, it's interesting to know, I got something around 100 notifications, but most of them failed, and TradeWiz didn't bot those for me because I set some criteria on the settings. For example, for this one, the purchase by this wallet was less than the sold that I set. I think for this wallet I set 0.1 sold, but he bought 0.05 sold. That's the reason TradeWiz didn't bot for me. During these 2 days I had 15 trades. Let's actually take a look at them and see what happened. I have to mention all buys and sells were automatically, and they were based on my take profit and stop loss levels. For the first 2 tokens I lost money. My stop loss field, you can see something around minus 55% loss in both tokens. For the third one, I made 42% profit. For the fourth one, this was a great trade, 135% profit. I was able to even get a 2x and even 3x from this token, but my take profit was at this level. I lost again minus 51%. For this one, plus 76% profit, and this one minus 54%. When it comes to Ultra, for most of them, the stop loss is at around 45 to 55%. That's the reason you can say I lost the same amount in almost all these tokens. For the first day, my win rate was 40%, but my PNL was something around 10%, and I made profit because of this token. This was a great profit. So I had 3 wins on the first day, but on the second day, we had Carti. I lost money. For Flow, I made money plus 39%. For this one, I made 52% profit. But from here, minus 50, George, minus 50 again. This one, minus 50. This one, minus 32. Actually, I sold this manually because I knew probably this will go to, lower. So I decided to sell this manually. This was the only trade that I sold it manually. All the other ones were automatically. That's the reason this was 32. As you can see, cat minus 48. So yesterday was a terrible day. Almost, all the tokens except two of them, I lost money on them. So my win rate is 30% and the PNL is minus 11%. The result wasn't good at all. But let's take a look at the sheet because this is quite interesting. As you can see in here, in most of these wallets, I lost money. For example, I lost 2 trades from this wallet. This one, I made 1 profit, but I lost it all. Even in this wallet that I made 135% profit, for the second trade, I lost it. Here's the important thing. These ultra wallets are not good for copy trading at all. For example, let's take a look at this one. You can see I lost 2 trades from this wallet. But if we take a look at the ultra statics, you can see this was a great wallet for copy trading. The TP suggested by ultra was 260% profit. He had 3 trades. He made minimum 50% profit in all of them, and this was great. But in practice, we lost 2 trades, and we even were not able to make 50% profit. Or this one, I lost 2 trades from this wallet, but as you can see, he had 6 trades, and those 6 trades, 83% of the times, they were profitable. You were able to take 42% profit. Why this happens? Why these wallets were not good for copy trading? Because most of these wallets are bad traders. They have low PNL, low win rate, and basically Zelfi Group team tried to find some algorithms to turn them into profitable wallets. And these requirements change all the time. For example, for one wallet, you can see 10 or 5 different settings because every day they change these numbers based on their new trades. Although the ultra wallets were not good for copy trading, I usually use the same strategy to gain profit. I'm going to share this strategy with some live trades in another video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification on. In this way you don't miss that copy trading challenge. But basically in this strategy, we're gonna find some high PNL wallets with high win rate. This is totally different with the ultra wallets, because when it comes to ultra wallets, they usually have low PNL. For example, let's copy this wallet on GMGN. You can see this wallet has minus 64% PNL, or the win rate is less than 30%. This wallet is not good for copy trading. But Zelfi Group team try to find some algorithms to turn them into profitable wallets. I don't like this strategy. I prefer to find some high PNL with high win rate wallets. Their trades should take minimum 1 or 2 minutes. This is the minimum duration. And this is the important thing. This is the similarity with the ultra wallets. We buy tokens after migration. Usually I set the minimum market cap at $120,000 market cap. And you can see the same thing on ultra wallets. For example, for this one, $188,000 is the minimum market cap. Or let's say this one, the minimum market cap is $121,000. Why we're doing this? Because this wallet is great for copy trading because it has high PNL, high win rate, and his trades takes hours. But these kind of wallets usually have some copy traders, and they after a while they start farming the copy traders. They will buy some tokens with, for example, $10,000 or $20,000 market cap. Since so many people copy trade this wallet, the price will pump, and the wallet will dump it immediately. To avoid this kind of farms, I set the minimum market cap at $120,000 market cap. And usually, if you can set a minimum purchase by the wallet as a requirement, this is great. But for this, criteria, you have to check all the trades from the trader. You have to find the minimum amounts that he usually buy in each token. For example, 1 sol. And you have to set these on TradeViz. So usually try to find some wallets that they buy tokens after migration. These kind of wallets are quite easy for copy trading, and they are usually profitable. Here's the important thing. After doing some trades, you can actually claim a portion of the fees that you already paid using TradeViz bot. Just click on positions and now claim token account fee. Actually, I bought and sold 15 tokens, and now I can, claim around $4. Just click on confirm, and as you can see, I was able to, claim this amount. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Cheers.